the police authority, and now they are on the job.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Power, Preston Tinsong, informed that the government would soon commission the first unit of the Ganol hydro power project. Stating that the focus of the government is to commission one unit of Ganol hydro power project, he said it will be done by December this year. The Ganol hydro power project, which has come under the scanner over cost escalation, which is from Rs 356 crore to Rs 507 crore. The project, with a capacity of 21.5 megawatt, is being implemented in Chibra, around 15 km from Tura. It will be the first hydro power project in the Garo Hills region. The project has encountered several delays since it was conceived in 2006. Meanwhile, the Deputy Chief Minister said the government will also commission one small hydro project in Motion Road.
There are only few projects where we are going to launch very soon. One is Ganol project, and that also not fully. We have 3 units. But one unit within this year we are going to commission it in Ganol in Ganol project.
By December?
By December we will launch it, and another 2 again private investors, which is again in the pipeline, and one more is that in that Shalang site, Motion Road site. Again, that also is in the pipeline. But I would like to tell you right now, our focus is for 1 unit of Ganol project will be commissioned, will be inaugurated within this year.